This video is about how I use the Robinhood app, how you can get some free stock. I'm going to show you how I buy, sell, and check it out. Hey YouTube, I hope everyone's having a fantastic day. This video is about Robinhood, how I use it to how I use the paper markets to make money and buy the physical metal. So first, let me start by saying there's lots of videos on Robinhood, but none of them cover what I'm going to cover. There's how-to videos on how to use the apps. You can go to those, but this one is for showing you what I do. So let me log in here for a minute, block my access. Hold on a second. So here we are. First, let me start by saying that I am not a financial advisor, and you should not take this as a financial advice video. This is what I do. You have to do your own due diligence, do your own research. Robinhood is an app. It's a full brokerage house like E-Trade, Charles Schwab, Fidelity, just to name a few, but they all charge commissions. So I'm doing this video on Monday, and this is what the price is right now. This is how much I have in my account at the moment. So what and I apologize if I skip around a little bit on this video. It's just I want to try to cover as much as I can in a short amount of time. So this is how I use the app to buy the miners. If you can use it to buy the SLV, the GLD, and you can use my link to get a free share of stock. It could be a share of Ford, Siri. It could be a share of Apple. It could be a share of Microsoft. It's, you know, I'm sure most of the times it's not going to be an Apple or Microsoft, but I've known people that have used the link, and once they sign up and create an account, there's no minimums. You can start with $50, $5, $100, $1,000. This is kind of for the beginner. So, and if you don't know which stock to pick, there's ETFs, and I'm going to show you what I do. So let's get to it here. On the app here, basically, I have a balance. It's telling me today's balance. This is in real time right now. In 2018, it says I saved 119 commission. Now, mind you, this is an app that I use for money that I'm not using for day-to-day bills and whatnot. So mostly what I have is JNUG. That's the junior miners. I have on my watch list here, this is what I own. There's one. On my watch list here, this one is oil. Let's see here. So basically oil is coming back. So what the shares are is 3 times. So these are volatile shares. This is not for someone that I trade in and out of these. I haven't used this in a little bit, but I'll show you my last trade. It was back in 17. So I purchased 100 shares at 15. Well, let's go to the beginning here. Purchased 100 shares at 13.16 on July 13th, and then on July 27th, I sold it for a little bit of a profit. So the thing that this app allows you to do is trade in and out of the stock because there's no fees. So this stock provides, dogs running by, 3 times leverage exposure. So there's more volatility. So that's for oil. But you can go back here. And the one I own is this one right here, the junior miners. Right now, as I record this, it's at $10 a share. So I'm going to do a trade just to show you how it works. So I have 300 shares. The junior miners, just so that you know, are an ETF, and it's been doing pretty good. Gold into 2018 on the torrid pace, lifting shares of the miners and related traded exchange funds. The junior miner index, I'm not going to read this whole thing. So basically, these are the big boys in the mining industry. If you ever watch Discovery Gold Rush, I'm a fan of the show. Excuse me. This is the big mining companies, what it consists of. So you can do your own research here, but that's a little bit about that. So it gives you updates, and there's a bunch of, you can scroll here. There's a bunch of other mining stocks, oil and gas. There's a bunch. So what we're gonna do here is where was I? Okay, junior miners. Here we go. So one day, now I'm going to do trade. Right now, I was going to show you. I bought, in November, I bought this at $18 worth 3 shares. Then I bought 40 shares. Then I bought 20 shares at $6.30. So it's gone up. Normally, I wouldn't sell today, but for the purpose of making this video, show you how easy it is, we're going to sell, put in a sell order. Hit the sell button, and the market price is 10.04 right now. So I'm just going to sell 10 shares. Oops, sorry, well, thumbs sometimes. Hit 1, 0, 10 shares. Hit the arrow, and it's going to give you basically $100 at 10.05. I'm going to swipe it. Boom. That's it. No commission. And it's done. So it's done. So I just sold 10 shares. Now I have, instead of 301, I have 291 shares left. So use the link in the description of this video and you'll get a free share. I don't know what it'll be, but only use this if you're inclined to trade the paper. Do not take this as advice to invest. I'm just showing you what I do. You can buy stocks, options, even cryptos. Robinhood allows you to buy cryptos. I don't do cryptos, but that's to say, that could be, for somebody else. This is just a way that I use to use the paper markets to make a little bit of money. So now we sold at 10.04. You can swipe here. See here. You can see what the price is right now. Earlier this morning, let's see if I can show you here. There we go. Right now it's at $10. Earlier it was at 10.32, right? So, okay. Well, I'm not going to buy back I don't want to sell at a loss. So let's just say right now I want to buy some junior miners. So we'll go back down here. We're going to go back. Let's see, bear with me here. Okay, so I sold 10 shares at $10.50. I did receive $1.60 of dividend, so we're good here. Now we're going to go back to, say I want to buy the SLV. Sorry, I'm all thumbs. So this video is getting a little long, but right now, let's see what we're at. The price is right now $10, so we're still even there. So if I wanted to buy the SLV or the GLD, you can do that. And those are basically, it tracks gold on the spot price. That's basically the paper. But it's what the physical is based on. So if you want to purchase some, you can go ahead and do that. But I'm not going to buy that right now. I just wanted to show you. The SLV tracks the silver spot price, less expenses, liabilities of silver bullion in London. So this is the way to buy ounces of gold, but no premium and no fees. That's the important part about Robinhood. There's never any fees. Whether you buy or sell, same thing. So let's see here. I'm going to make a purchase. I think oil is going to be coming back up. So instead of buying what I just sold, I'm going to get into something else. So we're going to hit a buy order. Okay. So I have $109 available, right? So I don't think I'm going to be able to buy 10 shares because it's at 10.92 right now. So we're going to put in an order for 8 shares. A lot of times it won't let you do only 75%. So basically I'm buying 8 shares of the crude oil shares here. Hit the swipe. But boom, that's it. I just bought 8 shares, commission 0. Again, very important, no commission. You're done. Now I go look at my portfolio here. And let's see where we are. Let's go back. So now, here's what I own. I have 8 shares of the UWT and 291 shares of the miners. Okay, so the UWT right now is at 57 cents, and I'll do a video about a month from now and show you how these 8 shares are doing. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Use the link below if you're interested in Robinhood. When you sign up, you'll get a free share of stock, and full disclosure, I'll get a free share of stock if you use my referral link. You can start an account if you choose to do so. Again, this is what I do if it's not for everyone. Okay, so have a wonderful day. Thank you very much.